What's up? I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to do a what's on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's get this started. As you can see, this is my home screen setup for now. As of right now, I'm going with the all black wallpaper from, let me show you what I'm using it from. It is from the app called Hidey Hole. It's to where you can hide the the camera, so that cutout is not there. And currently this is an all black wallpaper that's on Hidey Hole, the app. So I'm currently using that as the wallpaper. Now for the theme on the phone overall, I am using, let's take you to the store. Oh, I can't take you to the store because I have it on airplane mode for the sake of this video, but I'm using a theme from the Samsung theme store, and I'm currently using Nova Launcher on top of the theme to make it look even better. So let's get started. So at the top here, as you can see, I have a clock. This widget is called, this is a clock widget. You go into it. Let's see. This is just a simple little clock widget. It'll let you pick your color layout and what you want and everything. But currently I have it on all white because I'm going for that black and white theme for my Galaxy S10 Plus. So that's the clock at the top, and then in the middle I have a calendar, but this is just, I'm just using, let me see if I can show you. I'm just using the Samsung clock widget. I didn't want to do anything too fancy, so not clock widget, the Samsung calendar widget, which is right there. If you click on this widget, it'll let you edit it to make it white or black, and right now I have it all blacked out. So if you click on it, well, you have to hold and click on it. It'll let you edit it, and then when you edit it, it'll give you the black or white theme, and I'm using all black because I'm going for a black and white theme. So next we have, this is what's coming up next, like calendar event widget. Now this widget is called, Agent. This is what I was using right there. This is the paid version because it'll let you do a little bit more than the free version would. So I'm using that to go along with it. Then down here you can see I have the Google search bar. You just hit it, boom, it'll get you to Google. And if you swipe up, you can get to my app drawer, which is really no need for that because I'm going to show you why. And at the bottom here, I have phone, gallery, camera, settings, and the text messaging app. And in the text messaging app, everything is matching my theme. I have everything matching my theme. So it's black and white for the text messaging app. Let's get out of that. So on my contacts, the keyboard is matching the theme that I'm using. The camera app and then the gallery app is blacked out also. And then also the settings. I just love that black and white look. So let's dig and go into Nova Launcher so I can show you what my home screen is set up like. Just so you can see a little bit more than just the home screen. And I have two pages. I'll get to the next page in a minute. But first, let's go into here. So my home screen for Nova Launcher, I had that set up 8x8. My icon layout is 150%. My dock layout is 125, and I only have 5 icons in a dock. That's how I like it. No more, no less. 1 page of docks. I have the padding to large. I have infinity scrolling on. And the dock background color is currently enabled because I don't want to use it. It's enabled or disabled. I don't want to currently use that right now. I have my search bar placement is dock. It's above the dock. That's why you see this search bar there, because it's above the dock. Next, my folder, the look and feel of my phone. I'm currently using two icon packs. The first icon pack that I'm using is Gribby Spin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but you can see it right there. And that's what those icons look like. But then for my dock, for my icons in my dock, I am using Dark Pole, which looks real nice for the home screen setup. And I have the adapted icons set on rounded. That's why they're rounded. So pretty much that's how I have the Nova Launcher set up. So we'll slide to page 2. I have currently 2 pages on this phone setup. That's how I wanted it. My first page is just information like calendar, my calendar events, my Google, and then my docs that my apps that I can easily access. And if you slide to the second page, here I have a little bit more going on. So, of course, at the bottom, you get those docs. You get the dock with the 5 icons that I can always easily get to. And you also get the search bar. But at the top, this is Pandora. This is my music app of choice. And then I just have 2 pictures, which is me and my nephew. Just some pictures that I wanted to give this page a little bit more color. And then I have my apps. So, the apps that I'm using on my Galaxy S10 Plus, as of right now, I'm using Domino's because I love to order me pizza. I have the Play Store, but I also have it to where the apps are hidden behind apps. So if I hit it, it'll take me to the Play Store. But if I swipe up, it'll give me more apps. And the reason why I have these apps in this folder is because these are like Play Store. So I have APK Mirror, the Aptoid, Black Market app, and the Galaxy Store. And you go down, and then I have DJI Go because I have a gimbal, and that works along with my gimbal. My next app is Bounce TV, lets you get free TV shows. My next app is always the Bible. You gotta have that. I don't care whatever phone you have to have the Bible. Then I have the Galaxy Gear app for my Galaxy Watch Active. Then I have like internet apps, so Puffin, and if I slide up, I get the Samsung internet. Then I have Google Drive. That's just the app by itself. Then I have Creative. This app here is an app to where it'll let you get ideas on a wallpaper or a home screen or get ringtones. Then I have my files. Then I have Dropbox, and I also have Google Photos in the Dropbox. Then I have email, so I have Yahoo and Gmail. Next, the calculator is an app by itself. Then I have Pandora, and if you swipe up, you get Pandora, Samsung Music, Sound Assistant, and Zedge. Then I have s10. I gotta have that. It tracks your steps and so on and so on. And if you slide up, I have the Samsung Galaxy Themes, Samsung Smart Switch, Samsung Themes, and I have the Good Lock app in there. Next, I have Drippler. Drippler is an app by itself, I believe. Yes, Drippler is an app by itself. Then I have Reddit. Then I have Facebook. And if you slide up, you will get Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Then I have YouTube. So if you slide up, I put Tubi TV, YouTube Studio. Then I have GroupMe. So these are like messaging apps. So I have Hangouts and Facebook Messenger. Then I have Snapseed. These are like photo editing apps. So if you slide up, you get Snapseed, Pixellab, SparkPost, PixArt, Canva, and Fonto. Then I have Store. So the first app that you see is Amazon. But if you open the app up, you get B&H Photo, Best Buy, eBay, USPS Mobile. The only reason why I have that in there because that lets me track my items, and I just have it in the same folder because I really didn't know what else to put in that folder, so I threw it in there. And I have Walmart, and then I have like video editing apps, so I just have InShot and KineMaster. And final but not least, I have my Samsung Notes. I gotta have that if I want to jot down something real quick. I can open it up and get right into it. So pretty much this is how I have my Galaxy S10 Plus set up for today. It might stay like this for a week or so, and then it might change. But that's why I love Android, because you can change it up. And this is what my lock screen is looking like. It's the regular lock screen app. It just has my fingerprint scanner at the bottom. And then when I get a notification, then they'll pop up there. And that's pretty much it. Simple. Still nice, still simple, just how I like it. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.